New for Sno-Way, we got our flared V-Plow, our flared 29 VHD, 8.5 foot wide, double acting wing cylinders. And as you can see, it's got the nice flared wings. What sets Sno-Way apart from, of course, it's a V-Plow, which hinges in the middle, okay, with the flared wings. That's what demand is asking for the last few years. It looks, cosmetic appealing. Nice thing that Sno-Way brings to the table, of course, is the double acting wing cylinders. Comes standard with down pressure, and you still can run it off our wireless or wired Pro Control 2 controls. Contractor, of course, who wants a V-Plow, he can control the snow carrying capacity. He's not chasing trails like he would on just a basic straight blade. The down pressure is another added benefit. With a flick of a button, you gain 250 more pounds of downforce, making it really nice for back dragging, nice for scraping and cleaning and keeping that blade on the ground as you're going forward and controlling the snow and the capacity that you're carrying. In addition, we have the MaxADJUST Leveling System. So over time, as they use their V-Plow, the wear strips begin to wear down. Well, the MaxADJUST, the contractor can simply go out with his own little socket and adjust the wings so they're perpendicular to the ground, so therefore you have longer lasting wear on your wear strips, which could be an expensive service part.